where are we?
We're at Splash Landings WATERPARK at Alton Towers, and we have kindly been given permission to take you inside.
So yeah.
I'm getting really wet.
Yeah.
I'm not in my swimwear, I'm getting
You're
wet.
not. But we're going in, so...
We're going to get some POVs, I'm going to show you around and show you everything that Splash Landings has to offer, so let's get inside. Quick look at the map for Splash Landings. There's plenty of slides here, along with a play frame, an outdoor area, food and drink stands, and ample seating. There's also Little League Falls, which is a small water play pool for the younger ones. The water is 0.5 metres deep, which makes it perfect to splash around in. Slide here is the Master Blaster, which is a rubber ring water coaster. You must be over 1.1 metres to ride. There is all your restrictions. It is great fun and quite an intense ride. Here at Splash Landings, which is open sporadically. There are some slides which do come down the outside area. You start inside and they weave their way down. Pretty cool. I'll show you a quick look at the changing rooms here at Splash Landings. They are mixed, however there are separate cubicles for families which are a little bit larger. Also you have a locker system. You are going to need 20 pence for your locker, which you can lock and reuse, and your band also has your number on so you don't forget, like I do. There's also shower facilities just in the entranceway to the water park. Our morning here at Splash Landings at Alton Towers. What do you think?
I love it here. I think it's brilliant. I think not many people know about it.
Yeah, a lot of people just think theme park, don't they?
But come over here, if you're ever staying, you can come on. I think they do a discount for staying on site. Check down here, there's rides, there's stuff for all families. We've seen loads of little kids coming round. So there's loads to do. It's a great way to spend a few hours, isn't it? Especially if the great British weather is not playing ball outside. Come here. Or even if it's like, you do one day with second day and it's gorgeous, there's loads of seating area outside. The sun brightens this way, so it's
lovely and warm.
Yeah, lovely.
So all in all, a fantastic thing.
Yeah, definitely get yourself down here. Love it.
We do want to say a big thank you to Alton Towers for having us here today. Under usual circumstances, you cannot film inside the water park. So we do hope you have enjoyed this little sneak peek into what they have to offer. If you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next Alton Towers vlog.
Bye!